Ito na, good life, okay? Everybody, mayroon tayong fried noodles. Okay, with lemon. Okay, saka mayroon tayong kangkong na nilagyan natin ng eggplant. At saka milkfish. Milkfish means bangus. And chili pepper. Okay, so that all is like a Bicol Express. We put some gata. Ito. Ay! May gata ito. Yeah. See, yung talong namin, not overcooked. See, this is bangus, guys. You know, with vegetables and kind of long pepper. Okay, so sinigang na Bicol Express. Yummy, guys. Yummy, yummy. So, that's it. Come on, Virgie. No, doon ka. That's okay. Yeah, tinuruan ko si Virgie na nagluto nitong. Dumundag ka na ba, Seth?
Yan.
Usod ka ng konti.
Ayan.
Ayan. Ayan. Doon ko siya nagluto ng sinigang na bangus para may iba naman ang lasa. So now it's really good. So this is the last process. We're done.